Hello everyone and welcome back. I thought I'd just do a video on some garlic that I wanted to try to plant this fall. So these two here are elephant garlic. On the left I had ordered from Brick's bulbs for the elephant garlic. These ones here I found in one of the gardening stores. I've never seen elephant garlic sold in a garden shop. I'm sure there's some garden shops that do sell it, but I've never really noticed it before. That's what the packaging looks like. It has 3 bulbs in it for the from this company from Florisa, I think it is. Yeah, Florisa. This one here has 3 pieces in it too. It's not like a full bulb, but just 3 cloves, I guess. And I've got some music garlic. They have the full bulbs here. So what I was going to try to do is the elephant garlic I was going to plant at the other property, and the music I was going to try to plant at well, not try. I was going to plant it at home here. So the last time I grew the garlic at home, it was the music garlic. It was I think Red Russian and Red German, or German Red, Russian Red. Out of the 3, the music garlic did the best. So yeah, for the elephant garlic, supposedly it's recommended to space them about 10 or 15 centimeters apart. I'll probably be spacing them about 15 centimeters apart, which is almost 6 inches. So but I do have quite a few of the elephant garlic, so I'll show you what I'll do to help with the spacing. So just give me a few moments and I'll show you what I'll be doing. Bye. Hello and welcome back. And anyways, this is what I'll be using for spacing. I got an 8-foot board, and what he did is yeah, it's 8 feet. And the width is about 5 or 5.5 inches. And I got a thin board, so it's not going to be too heavy to work around with. So I'll be spacing the elephant garlic about 15 centimeters. I'll be spacing the elephant garlic about 15 centimeters, which is approximately 6 inches. So I don't know if you can see that I had marked 6 inches in the board. So what I'll do is just lay the board flat, and every 6 inches I'll basically plant the garlic. So what I did is I marked it on both sides, so at least I don't have to worry about keeping the board on one side. So that's 8 feet, and I'm gonna try mulching it with straw. This is I got this from a farmer's supply store. It's not supposed to have any of the seeds that you would normally find in the regular bale of hay that's tied up with the rope or a string. But I'm sure there might be there's some seeds in here, but nice. Hopefully with the straw it's going to help keep the weeds away, and it's going to help keep the humidity or the dampness in the soil, so the soil doesn't dry out. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and hope to talk to you guys soon again. Bye.